Today we are at Jewelry Designs in Danbury, Connecticut, and we will be hand making a fine emerald and diamond cluster ring. Here the model maker has formed platinum into strips and wire, which will be used to craft underbezels for round and marquee diamonds. Each setting is formed and shaped by hand to fit the individual stones. After careful preparation, the delicate prongs are welded at temperatures in excess of 3,300 degrees. The fitted settings are then arranged in wax and plaster so they can be carefully welded together. A slight mistake with a torch can destroy the entire project. With the foundation plate complete, the underbezel can be pierced so that platinum prongs that will secure our center emerald can be fused into position. The prongs are now welded to the reverse side of the setting, and the finished cluster is now ready to be fitted with a handmade shank. A platinum bar is reduced in size by rolling it through a mill. After each pass, it is annealed with a torch to soften the metal. Platinum is then shaped and formed to create the lower underbezel and ring shank material. The precious metal is now hammered and welded to form a blank that will be used to create the lower section of our handmade emerald ring. The roughed platinum blank is now trued up and rounded to the desired size. The ring blank is carefully trimmed, shaped, filed, and slotted to create a graceful bridge ring that will be fitted to our handmade platinum cluster. Both models are meticulously polished and lapped to ensure the interior surfaces of our handmade cluster will be bright after the two sections are welded together. Now the components are cut and shaped with files and various hand tools until they interlock perfectly. With both sections fitting true, the model maker welds the ring together. The ring is now prepped and shaped. The ring is polished inside and out with wheels, brushes, and various stages of compound. The ring is steamed and inspected and now ready for setting. Our finished ring is ready to be set with brilliant gemstones. The diamond setter must carefully cut and azure the prongs and underbezels beneath the marquee diamonds. This will allow them to rest in position without shifting before they are tightened. One stone at a time, the prongs are carefully seated to ensure that the marquees will relate to one another and the center emerald as intended. Proper seating will prevent the stones from shifting and ensure a long life for the setting. After more polishing and prep work, the setter moves on to the round diamonds. Once again, each prong must be prepared for the individual diamonds. As prongs are cut, the diamonds are seated and then tightened and trued with the setter's pliers. Each prong is then rounded and cupped with various files and cutters. This not only makes the setting pleasing to the eye, it helps prevent snagging and catching. Now the diamonds are tightened one final time with a beading tool. One more careful inspection and we will move on to the emerald. This rare emerald is the last stone to be placed in our setting. The mounting has been carefully prepared. At this point, all filing, shaping, grinding, cleaning, and polishing will be completed before inspecting and setting the primary gemstone. The emerald now fits perfectly in its seat, and we can carefully tighten the stone with prong pushers and beading tools. The prongs are then trimmed with cutters and rotary tools. The setter continually checks his work to ensure the stone level is true. It is time for a light polish, and now we have a handmade Jewelry Designs masterpiece fit for royalty. This platinum ring features an emerald weighing 2.93 carats, accompanied by 1.71 carats in marquee and round diamonds.
The jewelry we make is the jewelry we sell. Own and original from Jewelry Designs.